What if I told you that you can clean your skin this easily? Just duplicate your background layer, go to actions, run this action and simply brush away the acne. It smooths your skin without losing texture. But how did I do it? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step process. Watch till the end. So I'm in Photoshop right now and I have this picture. First thing first, we need to record an action. To do that, simply go to your actions panel. If you can't find your actions panel, simply go to the window and make sure actions is turned on. And here we have the actions panel. Now let's create a group by clicking this icon. Let's rename it Grab Pixels Skin Retouch and click OK. Now let's create an action by clicking this icon. Let's rename it Skin Retouching. Keep the other settings at default and click record. Now everything you do in Photoshop will be recorded as an action. Now we need to make 2 copies of the background layer. To do that, simply press Ctrl and J twice. Now let's hide this layer 1 copy for now. Then select layer 1, right click and convert to smart object. And then go to the filter, noise and select median. Now slowly and gradually increase the radius until all the skin acne fades away. I think 85 is better. Then click OK. Now go to layer and in the new fill layer select solid color. Here change the color to gray and click OK. Now make the brightness 50% and then click OK. Right click and convert to smart object. Then change the blending mode from normal to overlay. Now go to the filter menu, noise and add noise. Make sure uniform and monochromatic is checked. Then set the amount around 12% and click OK. Again go to the filter menu, blur and Gaussian blur. Here set the amount 2 pixels and click OK. After that, unhide the layer 1 copy. Right click and convert to smart object. Then change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. Now press Ctrl and I to invert the layer like this. Then go to the filter menu, other and high pass. Here slowly and gradually increase the radius until you start seeing the textures like this. I think 2 is fine, then click OK. Now go to the filter menu again, blur and Gaussian blur. Here set the radius around 1 pixels or 1.5 pixels and click OK. And then select all the 3 layers by holding Shift and make a group by clicking this group icon. Let's rename it to Skin Retouching. Now go to the layer styles and open blending options. Here in the underlying layer, break this slider by holding Alt key and then drag it all the way to right like this. Then do the same with this white slider and drag it all the way to left like this. I think this is better and then click OK. Now create a group mask by clicking this icon. And then let's invert the layer mask by pressing Ctrl and I. Now our action is ready, so we have to stop the recording. To do that, simply go to the action panel and click this icon to stop the recording. And there you go, we have the actions ready. Now it's time to test the action to see if it really works. So first I'm going to delete this group. And then go to the actions. And all you have to do is click this icon to play the action. And there you go. Our actions works perfectly. And here is the real magic. Just select the layer mask, then go to toolbar and select brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is white, then set the flow around 20%. Then simply paint over the acnes like this. As you can see, all the acnes are fading away. So let's try this on another image. I have this image. All I have to do is go to the actions panel, select the skin retouching action, then click this icon to play the action. And there you have it. Now go to the toolbar and select brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is white and simply paint over the acnes like this. Sometimes it might not give you the perfect result. You can always change the value and adjust it according to your image. Finally, if you want to save this action, all you have to do is go to the actions panel, select your action, click here and scroll down and click to save action. And like this, you can save your action. And if you want to import this action in your Photoshop, all you have to do is click here and click load action. Select your action and click to load. And there you have it. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.